What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So just before we do go ahead and get started, make sure to subscribe. I will be doing 5 free giveaways at 1,000 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel or you're coming back and you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button. It won't take you long. Make sure you like the video and make sure you share it. I do appreciate any support I do get. So what are we going to be doing in today's video? We're going to be cleaning up my seats. And now my seats are a bit grim. Like, they've had tools in, they've had oil in, they've had all sorts in. And the smell in it is quite bad. It just stinks like a workshop. And I've tried everything. I've tried air freshers, I've tried wiping seats, and it's still not done the trick. So today I'm going to show you the cheapest possible way, and I'm talking £1, maybe £2, depending on what you can get. And I'll be showing you all the products that I use. It's mainly going to be one product that I'm using, but you can pick that up for literally £1. Now I'm also going to be using a wet vac, and what that means is you can soak the seats in whatever chemicals you want and it'll suck it all up without damaging it. Now don't worry if you don't have a wet vac, because I believe most petrol stations that you can pay for the vacuums can still do the same thing. So if you don't have a wet vac, don't worry, you just do what I do and then just do it at a petrol station where you can pay for them vacuums and it'll do the exact same job. But if you've got a wet vac at home, it'll be a bonus because you don't have to travel anywhere. But still, it's still going to be less than £5 no matter what you do. And wet vacs are pretty cheap to pick up nowadays. You don't need anything fancy. So yeah, I'm just going to flip the camera around. I'm going to show you my seats and my carpet before, and then we'll get the solutions on. We'll let it dwell for a bit, and then yeah, I'll show you the wet vac and I'll show you the attachment I'm using, and fingers crossed the smell goes away and they'll look a bit better. So yeah, enough of the talking, let's get to it. Right, so as you can see, the main product we're going to be using today is elbow grease. Now I did pick these up at £1 a bottle, so it's pretty cheap for what it is. Also next to it, I got this scrubbing brush. This was also another £1. Now the bristles are quite soft, so that'll protect whatever we're going to be cleaning. It's not going to be too harsh on it, but it's not going to be too soft, so it will pick up all the dirt. And then this is the wet vac I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be using the clear head, so fingers crossed we can see all the dirt and muck coming up. But yeah, let's get straight to it. So this is the final result. I'm really pleased at how these did turn out. To say I use the cheapest products. Now don't get me wrong, you can get much better out there, and there is much better out there. But for what I paid for this, I really am impressed. I could have gone over it a few more times, but I'm pretty pleased with what it's turned out like. So overall, yeah, I'd say it was a pretty good success. If you guys are new around here, please do drop me a like and a subscribe and share the video about. I am still sorting out the giveaway from the 500 subscribers, so hold on tight, it's nearly done. But yeah, I will be doing 5 free giveaways when I hit 1,000. So if you did enjoy the video, please drop a like, comment, share about, and I'll see you guys in the next video.